How to delete account on Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete account on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to delete account on Telegram, open up the Telegram app, then tap on the three lines option from the top left. Go to settings. From settings, scroll down to the bottom and select Telegram FAQ. And once you select Telegram FAQ, simply scroll down to the very bottom until you see the option called your account here. So once you select your account, you'll find one of the options that says delete your Telegram account. So you can tap on delete your Telegram account option, and as you've done that, you'll find how do I delete my account. It says if you'd like to delete your account, you can do this on the deactivation page. So you can tap on deactivation page option. It will take you here, where all you have to do is to simply enter your phone number in an international format. So first of all, you have to make sure to enter your country code over here. Once you enter your country code, you just have to enter your phone number, tap on next option, and then you will be able to basically delete your account. That's all it takes to delete your account on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.